What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Saved by Khalid. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play this song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it only uses 4 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Your first chord is going to be an E flat minor 7. It's going to be 0, 6, 8, 6, 7, 6, where you're barring the entire 6th fret with your index finger starting on the A string. You're not playing anything on your low E. Your ring finger is going to be on the D string on the 8th fret. Then your G string is on the 6th fret, and your middle finger is on the 7th fret of the B string. Then you're going to go G flat major, which is 2, 4, 4, 3, 2, 2. Bar the entire 2nd fret with your index finger, ring finger 4th fret A string, pinky finger 4th fret D string, middle finger on your 3rd fret of your G string. Then you're going B flat minor 7, which is 6, 8, 6, 6, 6, 6. Bar the entire 6th fret with your index finger, and then put your ring finger on the 8th fret of the A string. And then you're going to go A flat major, which is 4, 6, 6, 5, 4, 4. Bar the entire 4th fret with your index finger, ring finger 6th fret A string, pinky finger 6th fret D string, middle finger on the 5th fret of your G string. Now you can just strum through these chords throughout the song, but I will show you the picking pattern that they're doing throughout the song. What I'm doing is my index finger, my middle finger, and my ring finger are going to always be picking the D, the G, and the B string, and my thumb is going to be picking the root note. Starting with your E flat minor 7, picking the A, and then picking your D, G, and B, and then muting, and then all together. And that picking pattern is pretty much the same throughout all the chords. So again, A, all 3 strings, and then all 4 strings together. And again, I'm just muting in between root note, G, B, G, B, D, G, B, muting, and then all together. Do the same on your G flat major, except you're playing the low E as your root note, but you're still picking the D, the G, and the B with your index, middle, and ring finger. Same exact picking pattern, just root, the next 3, muting, and then all 4. Same thing with your B flat minor 7. And same thing with your A flat major. So all together, that looks like. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar strings, all the accessories in there that you need as a beginner guitarist. And the second winner is going to win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. Then once the channel hits 100,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you lucky winners to win a free brand new acoustic guitar. All you have to do to enter the giveaways is subscribe to the channel, leave a thumbs up up on this video, turn on notifications for the channel, and leave a comment down below with a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. I'm very excited to be able to do these giveaways. I just gave away a guitar at 50,000 subscribers, and that happened a lot quicker than I thought, but it's all thanks to you guys. These giveaways are just my way of trying to give back and show my appreciation for all the love and the support that you guys have shown me and the channel. So again, thank you guys so much. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want to learn on the guitar, and we will see you guys in the next video.